Hello friends, today's topic record downtrend for 4 consecutive months for markets. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Nifty 50 index has closed January 2025 month in the negative. It was down 0.5% in spite of the rally in the last 4 days. This is the 4th consecutive monthly decline. Nifty has been closing negatively from the month of October 2024. This is the longest losing streak since 2001. The last 30 years, there has been only 5 other periods during which Nifty 50 has closed negatively for 4 consecutive months. The following is the statistics. List of 3 or more consecutive months of Nifty decline. Number 1, September 1994 to April 1995, consecutive decline months 8, total percentage decline minus 31.4%. July 1996 to November 1996, consecutive decline months 5, total percentage decline minus 26%. October 1990 to January 1991, 4 consecutive months decline minus 28.5%. May 1998 to August 1998, 4 months decline minus 26.4%. June 2001 to September 2001, 4 consecutive months of decline minus 21.8%. 6. October 2024 to January 2025, 4 continuous months of consecutive decline, total percentage decline minus 8.9%. 7. September 2008 to November 2008, consecutive decline in months 3 and total percentage decline minus 36.8. Going further, January 2020 to March 2020, 3 consecutive months. February 1993 to April 1993, 3 consecutive months. February 2001 to April 2001, 3 consecutive months. March 2000 to May 2000, 3 consecutive months. July 2011 to September 2011, 3 consecutive months. March 2022 to May 2002, 3 consecutive months, and April 2022 to June 2022, 3 consecutive months. If you observe in the 5 previous instances when Nifty 50 index has closed negatively for 4 or more consecutive months, the percentage fall is 20 to 30%. Whereas in the current situation, the Nifty fall is around 10% only. So it's a very rare situation where more than the price correction happening, the markets have fallen and consolidated gradually over 4 months. It is more like a time correction. The main reason for the Indian markets to fall is a continuous FII selling due to rising dollar value and also slowdown in Indian economy. More than 2.6 lakh crores worth of shares have been sold by FIIs on a net basis. Even though DIIs have been buying heavily during the same period, the markets continue to stay weak. Now investors are waiting for the union budget and hope for positive news. Indian markets have historically been very volatile on budget day. The last 10 years, Nifty has closed negatively on budget day for 6 times. Historically, the average return of the Nifty 1 week before the budget is minus 0.46%, while it rebounds with a 1.35% gain in 1 week after. Also, whenever the Nifty has dropped by more than 1% in the week before the budget, it has consistently bounced back with a positive returns afterward. So we need to see if history repeats in terms of market movement during the budget period. We will summarize tomorrow's budget in a separate video so that you can get the highlights. Stock markets will be open tomorrow even though it is a Saturday so that the markets can react instantly to the budget announcement. Let us see which sectors are favored by the government. End of the video, here is the question. As per you, will market close positively or negatively tomorrow? Positive or negative, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.